McBrown's kitchen. Again, McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Again, McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Adriani Pedo. Amrina so. Adriani Pedo. Another 10. Amrina so. Yet to cano. Yadibo. So when you know I was here for Branaban one I shake. Ye Diana no I share free ho. McBrown's kitchen a Dianepa Ede. I was for me the Asidama Buafo na yako. Say tell. May the high sense I say. Madam High Sense me everyday prices for everyday people. What you home appliances, Papa. Papa. Dear ye papa no. The entry in Caniano. Dear what I say on the low. Bomodia. I say keep receipt no. Keep receipt no. Very, very necessary. Now I do dear. What to me dear dance here. High sense no. May that tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Tasty Tom jollof mix. Sana tasty Tom pepper and onion. Tasty Tom dear ajibe bia. Tasty Tom for kakra. Na you be brave. Me don't want to be brave for all this while. Even though I'm a brand ambassador, they are still with me. Thank you so much. Tasty Tom. Nani baby. Me da se nam dia se like say ma enapa o. Enapa food. De soko. Enapa ne se bi beba ha no mo am. E available ni si hono. Ye de bi betumi afra aduane. Enapa o sardine, your mackerel, your dark sauce, your spaghetti, your mayonnaise. And I feel so enapa so esawo condensed milk. Intimpacho tuna so count tuna. Enapa tuna. Ebi ne si mechi. Ye da enapa se afei dead spices and ebesu wa ha. Taste day inside. Dead spices. Taste day inside. Dead spices. Taste day inside. Dead spices. Dead jollof. Dead all purpose. Dead spaghetti. Afei dead nutmeg and curry. Bomodia dead stew. Oh, yeah, that dead spices yasepa. Ukojomu na wa hwehwe na wo dia kan waduane ho ama. Edel no aye the natural taste. What you say? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. There was a bell pack tissue. Be near. Enu ne muodu. Enu na 3 ply. Just say muodu. Who you so bet me say you subio. One fan pepa ngo. One fan pepa fin bia. Na sa wo hro won sa na de pepa ya. I meant to ntwene o. Fatuo baba mu e bet gin ho, e bet dry. Na wasa you subio. So I own kitchen towel, kitchen napkin, sarana your facial and then what? Pocket tissue. I feel your tea roll. Nana me can tea roll and I'm them zakumaji. As I'm beside me tea roll. I had the empty move full name na honey jam. Tea roll. Mean to me can into me answer. Into bell pack tissue. Simply wipe it. Kibo Gary taste no aye de. Kibo Gary taste no aye different. Kibo Gary taste ne woman no. E ma hu tete flavor of soakings. What I say? Wa ton kate okwan ho na wanyu asichire kakra bi okra no a wa wonim ya ne sika ho den se obeto milk mpo aka nenso ne taste no aye complete because kibo aka ne nyina abom e de amount 4-in-1 wo ho 3-in-1 wo ho 0 nut wo ho e na fe so kibo choco malt energy plus eso abeka ho na ye de kibo pepper so aye awoto that's right. Me ba chopi wadaroma my way esem nkanche say and na phone na obetumi insurance wo so o phone na nkaza obetumi savings wo so na policies ahodo on what be ana unim you don't know. If you don't know there, please share my way aside some my insurance na mam ho me de me baba to so ane and my bia mama me and my bia mama nuamu afa masaya savings wo so as savings me ngia 4 years no I think it was be 1,001 or something. Oh, the on person. I had to 7 years, but I mean to mean train. Me con 4 years. 4 years next one. Me qua beside the 20% as I come sigano at the amount. And no, me dear, we were on bed into Yebi. The GC brand. GC brand, you can do cosmetics. Now you're trying to take the GC brander. Now you can't about any pediano. Said you will see any pediano. We are buy a from Utisu Besu Nasi. We are bear maswa. Sanyama shower gel a bit in a root trim as a dear Jerry. Bomodia energy style up. Bomodia energy bio16. Bomodia energy princess body lotion. Your sister, Sarah, you want a powder. Your baby boy and baby girl. Charlie, GC brand, dear. Me pacho, uko jaswa. Remember that it's all about you. Me do master na make house at 1 + 400. Any paya diambanum sunsunro. And at 1 + 400, so the Ghana for jatum dada. Obia ni sense sunsunro. So be non pa na wato. Ube relieve you dear. She share 1 + 400 a chakwa. Me da munyi na ase. And the me jina hein. Lije looks na mami nwi. And I face what tade eme yami hu nipa kro. Me nua baby o ata o Medina o sa denta. Obra mi say ya mi yunum ene ba ko na mahye na. Metwa photo na bia to mi postu abrabe tag o homa me. Na fe me correct me ho na me nyewe. Me shopi. Ukaya, odi be jam onua TV, onua Showtime so de buy no. Mo afa odin anhye ho. Eme ya se me hu nipa kro but God knows my heart. Anyway, me pa cho ma me ntwa me ho mra me ba ene ye ba be di aduane bia e de koto. Any amani tuna. Charlie, my young comrade, while you sua, oh, wow, Cambomua, Bohusa me person me can't as a prancer. Would you be at your home? Shay, ye any different cry, me basisia.
Imana way. About Rio, but Brania Kofa Crano. Ah, hi, mine. My uncle.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, darling.
Mommy, why didn't you come and get me?
Don't worry, I'll come and get you next time, okay?
Okay.
Ima, Shahana top your tabag back for Breme. Aha, Ima, pe shop na wa ha no. Hwe so mo tolobi for kwa ne to bi Breme. Ima, unhwe ha nto banche mama.
Ah, madam, I don't pay so be kufiana. When me brother o problem ana.
Esi ninti na mpese mesio de wo fie nyina anya adwuma.
And it's an dia. Yan come me ho. Akoto new high sense air condition. Said the airport wo.
Sa.
Mo chano, mo ko fa opuna bro.
Mati.
Na my wa na ko tuma ko pese o so nsi na wa hye mi se o sin nyina.
Instro so me sort o dodo.
Ohima, oi. Me pacha one of no kasa. High sense air condition no beer ni jiho. And no beer pato. Esan say, our gold plated things, high quality copper pipes, eco-friendly gas, and a 4-in-1 filter system. High sense air condition from ano. Air clean and ensansu nyedede. Your split and your floor standing. Your standard and an inverter cooling system. And to say who change day. Ko high sense showroom bia. Every 18th, akopim 28th February. Ya titi so say hook and you boom to high sense in there. Nina 5 years manufacturer defense warranty.
Hello, Mira.
Wouldn't say a free 18th, a copy 28th February. High sense for AC
Promo!
Wow, any eba ko tobi.
High sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Well, first, no, yes, some 12 1,000 Ghana cedi. Say, 1,500 Ghana cedi. Wow! Now where?
5,000 Ghana cedi.
Say, 8,500 Ghana cedi. Wow! After you move to me and 15,500 Ghana cedis cover. The idea will be on hospitalization. Trese, we are Kodayari Sabia, Ebabua Motuaka. Afei, critical illness. Trese, Yaria Kronkobuha, Yajatum Saboa, Ebabua Mawako. Bebra, Yaka Hunina, Kakrabi Pet, and Elia to the Utiano Somenuso. Waiting on my way, yes, no Kuno. For phone, dial *165#. Never come home. Send you my way. That's it, no way.
My Way, a product of My Life and MTN Momo.
Tomato mix. Wouldn't so one on pass. Say loud, what tomato flavor no? Tasty Tom tomato mix. Oh for kakra. Na ye bebre. For kakra young quine stew. Dodwa ope. No color changing like traffic light. Debia koko kama.
Tasty Tom dear. It will surely give you value for money. Me a chef, I know what I'm talking about. Because Tasty Tom tomato mix is thick and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup. Pepe. Eka hunimieni.
Tasty Tom, I'm a mania Japan. Presenia and Nino IFFF. Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor new.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. Cry.
Tasty Tom tomato mix in tea. Me handwriting and sada. Then I need to into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Me top papano at once. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Many people think I get whatever I want because I'm a popular actress. But no, that is not true. Me Kasano, Adebia mi yebiano, me shishimpe papano. And when I find it, I stick to it. My shishimenya Bell Pack tissues. Bell Pack ewe tea roll. Bell Pack tea roll. Soft, but not weak. Strong, but not hard. It is smooth. Me yusua, me hotome. It's just perfect. Same as the kitchen towel. What about what? What me the papaye? What me soki? Echimu esa pepa. One Bell Pack kitchen towel lasts longer and saves you money. It's time you switch to Bell Pack today. Say here pocket tissue, table napkin, tea roll, and a kitchen towel. Bell Pack is simply the best. It's just perfect.
Nothing feels so good like Bell Pack.
After this fufu and pepper soup, I go score goals like them the dash points.
Kivo 100% natural hot pepper. Good for your jollof, stew, soup, shito, spaghetti, and noodles. Kivo hot pepper. Moko show.
I'm a match winner, but the real champion is Kivo 100% natural hot pepper. Champion taste.
This advert is FDA approved.
Enso ba wiyema ema wo kekao wiyemu tumi ya weya wenu mu nso to umoja sote enso tumi fa aduane a embeye mfuturo ene note so ene konipedua mu Wemplex 400 eyensunsu dura eyema mpenini mofra nyina obetumi anom na bribia ena honom no brano Wemplex 400 tablet bakupe beyin sunsun nyine free one term kra round web hook web tape web Wemplex 400 kuwon kojo to
Wemplex 400 aboa mene mebusuafo iti wusukoto binom
emma won manofo apenfo ene nkwada wonya mfie mienu enhunu won dokota ansan wafa bi
Wemplex 400
Wemplex 400 asunsuna tamfo FD aje dwede nkratu yatum
and a evaporated milk. Tasty and creamy, right?
So.
And a milk, a well custard one, a fine. Nasa well Tom Brown no rice water muswa, a nice. Honey trip now, but so with the and a mayonnaise. And a medaya with salad, no, and a burger. Fries, so, and a tasty ketchup. In the good side, coffee ni jollof no so made the end of perfume long green rice. Oh, you are one. Don't forget your favorite and a chocolate milk drink.
Oh, more quite so.
See, honey, you are sorted.
I'm in control like a pilot on an upper airways.
Mama, Mama.
Me no.
And I can't stand it.
Just a moment. And now power, ha?
Yeah!
And now, oh yeah, Jack Macron, no more. It's you cannot get there. Hey, you contumely. What okuni? Tomato sauce, only a baby. And a pasadine for box with salad, yeah. Hey, you stew. And a jollofa. Never to the one. That don't know it though. Or to that. And the power of ya, or made to bunny a doa. You want a pasta sauce? Check for you, sir. Or more tasty. And a baked beans for the breakfast. Let's all a salad in the mom. Oh, she and a patuna. We can puffle. Let's all a salad in the mom. Oh, taste good. And a pan on dairy creamer. For box with so kinsey oats, na cremitino. Yawa and a spaghetti. Talia papa B. Mansunin sijadun hre. Na for and a spaghetti no gum. Wo and a pataliano are ready for watch on you with you. So I no pa no so good.
Inkrati FDA appendo.
McBrown's kitchen, Adriani Pento.
McBrown's kitchen, abusiafo Adriani pa ede. Ane ye try and waba. Into this time no, and the most important. The reason is that you have a ingredients. Na ya method, process of Adriani no. What in it in that? Unim ye. Aha. Obiani sergeant, obiya commander on the kitchen. But then it's a special guest. And saying, "Minu ye bi anam nene actio." Nam ne share location. Nam nim kura so ni maduane ye because of yan na ye jeje kakra on yo we broni kakra chemi. Yan jeje kakra na efu say ye pechini ye ntant na fie but we die o ye CEO a whole founder company owner and Zesuza catering services. Medina duane several times and I can put salute on it say oni maduane ye. And now over my simple recipe of Babaya Propensa, and I can't wait to eat it because Adriania, uko gathering class, Hana Yanaka crabby, a expensive food, who's a dish, Adriana. And Yanum Yadofo. Let's welcome Soraya, the CEO of Zesuza Catering Services, alongside the chef. Daniel in Alliance Day! Oh. Yay! My sister, Danny, Yenimu, back inside. Aha! You took no, and you do the Zesuza. Only Yenti and Obama Noir. And DJ, my remix, Zesuza Catering Services. Oh, Soraya. Oh. My sister, welcome to my van, my car, my kitchen. And today you came with Daniel. Danny is one of the chefs at Zesuza, Mebwana. And then the other one of the business is so that. Okay, Busiafo, Yaoro and Sa, into say the Dianin Beshishazo. So, Soraya, this is your ingredients. Come and check if my area. Give me a Danny. Baby, I'm here and be a drawer. Ben Shaho. My kitchen lunch and you know luncher. You've heard of luncher. They do good works like you do your food. No, what you say? Okay. Yeah, but you cry then cry. Medical can do what? Confirm for me. What are we cooking?
You be a prepansa.
You be a prepansa. From Zesuza. Ze's corner. Zesuza's kitchen.
You see.
Proper sun ingredients in Yamu Bosso.
It was Jane
Ampa.
Any meko.
Annie.
Any in toast.
Annie.
This one I won't use it.
Umpa garlic, umpa ginger. Okay.
Fish powder.
Yes.
Any more money.
More money.
And palm oil. And what? That's what it is. And what? Yo. Any koto. And then what? Tuna.
Yes.
And Amani. And apapansa powder. What do you say apapansa powder in G?
A brosam.
Brosam.
Aye.
You.
A brosam. Say brayache.
And then we can't forget the spices.
Yes,
dead spices.
Dead spices.
All peppers.
All peppers. We use all peppers now. Okay. For all peppers, use dead spices. Now, my sister, caterers, they won't hand your kitchen. And that's why I don't need any never. Danny, come around. Come around. Nana, when I say red and then it's a burgundy, the man should be.
Zesuza colors.
Sir. Oh, but I'm a Zesuza family. So when you say me Dimodiane. Yes. Intend me bedine her. All right. How? Let's start. Let's start.
Okay.
And to me, mama chopping board near the starting. All right. Chopping board day here. Everything day here. Knife. Everything day here. I'm ready for you.
That's Nana.
So for the start, I'm here to blend everything, whatever. So mommy. Yeah. What is saying?
I'm going to cut my
Jenny.
My Jenny.
Yeah, but you went good. Knife na no ye nam panty ya. Annie. We are blending stuff.
Is it? Yeah.
Yes.
Your blender is good, eh?
My blender is good. And that's me made some blender.
I'm coming. I want to put some down. Something. Yeah, I'll use this one.
Okay. Open more cram to me as
Oh, no, it's okay.
Okay. Until we are blending all this.
Yes.
The opposite blend be give me.
Yo.
What do you know? How long will it take to do this?
Oh, no, it shouldn't take long.
Beans in the bacon.
There's the beans, but then this one was some few minutes.
Some few minutes. Obroni yanko.
Few minutes.
So now you're bruni pana.
Eh?
And now you're media Nibia.
Oh.
How?
What's original?
Voter.
Eh.
Where you voter in? You?
Yes.
Madakuku. Wow. Now, voter in fully. Oh, my no papa.
Oh, my mother is Lebanese, but she's very Ghanaian. Can speak Tree, Ewe, Fanti, Gan.
Oh, are you fully Lebanese or half?
I am Lebanese.
I'll half Nibia. And now papa is Votarian.
Aye.
Wow. Where could you? A couple blending. I was for blended. But what chance had by you? You. Into no, where should I put it? Here.
No. Which one would I use? This one?
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow. Zesuza catering service. Wouldn't you say I am so infantile?
No.
Wow.
But I went to school in Cape Coast.
Okay.
Like a holy child.
Okay, holy child. That's why you are holy. One pound one some. Annie. Me fancy you can friend as on pay with you. Kakrebi. Show her. Pachoji. I was for blended, Jane in it. Toast.
Sorry.
Kakrebi, okay. Into Kakrebi, or no, I sure a mudada. Into no. Yeah.
I'll take your blender home. I'll take your blender to my kitchen.
You take my blender home.
A
boy Juma.
You put the water safe.
What and Tina bizarre no. You can toast in the house, you know. Yes. A lepati. Nice one. Me and I okay. Okay. Me kakra. Nice one. Yeah, we. I was for chef so I am busy. And Nakota no come time by.
Never call last time.
Last for garnishing.
Sir,
we are going
into Yanwa. You better one is separate.
A best stir fry cacao or just
or no cotton. Stir fry. Cotton stir fry.
Nana.
Yeah. Me go soja. You. I was for.
So I can put it here. Me too.
Yeah, dear, no, Asia, no. Your chance and idea, so no, come.
No.
A hampacho, mamma, the other bedroom.
Okay.
Annie, into your charming more than I shakakra. Soraya?
Yes, Nana.
We a caterer, but for how many years?
This year will be 10 years.
10 years?
Yes.
Why are dear?
2015.
2015?
Yes.
Next, we just act in 2015.
Oh.
And now how we are going
something like that. I think a year before. A year before.
When you go shaka kakra, no be hwedi ane ne kakra. Ko ate kakra no aba.
But 10 years easy. I couldn't mix
balance
the two.
And I would choose catering over concert. Over acting.
There is money in catering.
There's money in catering. Wow, 10 good years when you're why idea. Yanko, a chance in my papa. I feel na show na chance no. Anyway, uja hona ujina debi. And then more money comes in.
Yes, please.
Good. Mean you know actor power no jai no I can say there is good money in catering.
Yes, Nana.
In teachers wo jai hoko and temper. For 10 good years no one no aduane. Why are there pa na Zesuza catering services. Said America minimum me do aduane anti no. The only mo so the wedding. Onimo pa. So ya we obi am pen ho asem kra from say acting na be pem ne na wo workers trese onu omudi nsa wo so. How do you manage that?
Nah, it's not easy, but God has blessed me with good workers, very good workers.
Okay,
they are very hard workers.
Because Jumayefo bi also akofo ma no ho. And aduane ho adwuma na wo ye. Until you need dedicated people. People who are into what you are doing. Yes. Passion or
and but you know I didn't plan to come into
catering. You didn't plan. Yeah, they only say you didn't plan.
Oh no.
Really?
I didn't plan it.
So how come? What happened?
So for my daughter's school, they were doing this Ghana Day.
Okay.
And you know, they want to show the children about Ghanaian food.
Yes.
And then the caterer disappointed them. And then I said, oh, we are all mothers. We know how to cook something, at least something small. Let's all choose something to do so that the children will not be disappointed. And then I chose to do this same apapransa. So apapransa birthed Zesuza. and ebunebunu.
Okay.
And then one of the parents was an HR of one of the big banks. And she asked me, do you do contract catering? Nana, give me.
Okay, Danny, help us. Do you do contract
catering? Do you do contract catering? And I said yes.
Contract catering. Contract.
Like long term. Nana, and I said yes. I said yes.
But you were not even sure.
Meanwhile, I don't even know how I said that.
Like seriously.
And she said, oh, she wants me to come to the bank and that the person there is not making any good food. So I should come and cook. She's giving me 3 months. I said, Nana, how? Cooking small quantity and large quantity is not the same.
Yes.
And let me have your tin tomatoes. Tasty Tom.
Yes.
Tasty.
I like the way you say.
And you know I use Tasty Tom, not because I'm on this show, but that is what I use. I can't use
Tasty Tom.
Oh,
so anyone. So why you say Tasty Tom?
Somebody came to dash me. My worker said no. This is all they want. I'm telling you.
Tasty Tom and rich tomato.
Very, very nice.
Very, very nice. Emma Eba tasty kama. Wa eba yusu ni nyina. Ene ma mema wa de na yente. Say yusu ni nyina de. Hi. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. What did he say ya? No one you soon in there. Fashion rubber, your banku rubber, your ziplock. Never show fish. What? Wow.
Oh, Nana. Tasty Tom there is good. Very good. Sorry for your jollof. Very nice.
Very, very, very nice. The what di Tasty Tom be a bit dear than say would ye. Come.
Daniel, give me the. No.
The
dry fish.
The amane.
Oh, you have it here. Okay. Thank you.
Danny, Manin Como, Danny. Danny, Tini, Roy and San Manin come.
Let me use this.
I'm going to my family now. What are you doing? You be a man who will apart from that time. Wait till my dear. I'm never found way. Mimi, John.
Daniel, give me bring the onions in there.
Bring the onions, Danny.
I just want to, this one I'll use it for garnishing, so I just want to soften it a bit and give it some color. So I'll just put it in small.
I'll give you more for garnishing.
No, you don't.
I'll give you again. Danny,
oh, you bring a plate.
Okay.
And now, I need to come and stay with you so I can learn tree pepper.
I say that now, for garnishing. Only Mama take it to.
And I want a bowl. Put it inside. And I want this one. I need some of the sauce.
What's the sauce 3 years ago? Wow. You want one more and you know? You know, Romaneno.
Money, Chini.
Now, Danny, what can I say, Danny? How long have you been working with Madam?
For 3 years now.
3 years?
Yes, please.
Hey. Okay.
Oh.
Danny,
let me put the spices first. Then we'll use some more. I forgot to do that.
The onions.
Danny,
The onions.
You take the onions out, but I'll take more of the sauce out. I didn't put the dedo inside.
Let me bring us the dedo and the scissors. Jenny, what me here? I bet the papa.
Okay, put it here.
Thank you.
I can put it here. Nana,
yes, I can put it. They won't fall in our hair.
Hey, Nana. You. Thank you.
Nice. They don't come crown. A money taste neither. Who's a ocean, you know? Say not the man.
Let me taste it first. I use a spoon, a measuring spoon.
Yes, you have to be careful.
When you use a measuring spoon, at least you get it accurate.
Hey,
the way you are doing, I can tell that you are very neat.
Oh, Charlie Minia. If you are not their own one, not up a pound.
Let me add more.
So, addition of dead spices. And no never ma and nam no amaneno. Danny, more amani. I bought it for you. More amane. I bought it for the food. When she show. Oh, more money. Into 3 good years, see how no mammy a year you may want that Roman. What do you like about this woman?
She's very supportive and creative in terms of not only personal, not only business but personal. She interacts with workers a lot. I think she's the best. Yes, she's the best boss I've ever worked with all this while.
And your madam near work near like a family.
Family, yes, it's family team.
Wow. And you know I'm your mom if you know what baby that. Oh, my mother.
But we are in first time about it.
When the first time I was jamming.
But you are.
Who bet you are saying? Every job for. But the castle said no boo.
Let me board this one back.
Hold the gumu back on. I feel now when you test me.
You want to taste it? You want to taste it?
The taste was even okay until they don't a woman the way come. A preference first, no process, no one. This work was touching my pants.
Nana, you see this?
I have bank on. It's a short process.
Yes, it's a short process. A lot of people don't do a papansa because they think about doing palm nut soup. It's difficult to do palm nut soup. So if you do it this way, at least, I'm sure those who are watching would like to do a papansa because this is a very simple and fast way to do this.
Yes. So that you don't ignore a papansa like that.
And it's still nice.
You should always be fufu.
Nana will testify.
I will. And there's another testing officer coming around.
See you.
Wow.
No.
So, Zesuza, who go catering school?
Not when I started. After.
Oh, okay.
I told you I didn't plan to. So when it happened, the woman gave me 3 months to prepare myself. I didn't have anything, Nana. At all. So I said, let me tell the woman the truth, that I was excited and I just answered. So I told her, she still said, look, she's giving me that 3 months.
You can do it.
I should prepare myself. Nana, do you know how many people? 500 people a day.
5?
Nana.
Yeah. To be continue. Yes. And then now the senior caterer. Nice one. Bibi Bioba.
Fish powder.
Fish powder. The idea shetono.
Nana, how do you say this?
Fish is some.
Fish is some.
No, I can't.
Hey.
Fish is some.
Nana.
Fish powder. Fish is some. Hey, kakrabi. 2 spoons. Okay. Now, you know kakra. Beans no so no. Sabe de onam na nimu awoba. Ai, ehuba. Na, eba okay, eba beans is here. Zesuza. So after 7 years our contract ni we and sana o de wo eco school. And now we oko detailing.
No, I did it.
Kakra. You are motivation until Bato Kasaye and motivate you.
But it wasn't easy, honestly. It wasn't. The first day, the food got finished too early. The second day, they said my soup is too light. They can see their face inside the soup.
Okay.
I said, hey, the woman said I should take my time and then do another day.
The third
day.
They
perfect.
liked it.
Fourth.
Perfect.
No.
Fifth. Perfect. Yes, I dear Pamkra, Pama will be first there. Sometimes, just a few years fitting out Koboha Kakra, near Bihaka, near the way Kakra. So with time, the designer gets to see you.
I took everybody in my family as my workers.
Oh, from your mother, your
everybody.
That I'm not worried.
No. No.
Now worry.
A year after when I married.
And now, and it's 1 year with you.
Yes.
Oh, why 1 year?
But they didn't give me food.
Why?
Me, the bride. The workers didn't give me food.
They feel like I say, will be a human and money to the people should eat first. Kind of. Wow.
No.
Zesuza catering services.
Yes.
Soraya. Na acting no. I would join in term no. Na I say we na erade ede ba be chewo.
I slept on the altar in my church for 7. I slept on the altar in my church for 7 nights and prayed to God to give me a business that will give me money all year round. Nana, Adriani, everybody eats it. They eat it for any, like in their house, engagement, every occasion. Every day you eat, Nana. Yes. Even if it's Gary, you eat.
You eat. Right now, Gary get price. So you don't know about Kibo Gary, get price. Kibo Gary, where we design them.
It's nice. I tried it.
You tried it, you liked it?
Very nice.
Wow.
And so, when I got this business, I knew, sir, it was
This
good.
is your business. It was. What do you Are you married to a pastor?
Yes, please.
Your husband is a pastor? Proper pastor?
Proper pastor.
Where the pastor will make a proper pastor? like it's not a joke.
Yeah.
Or a software kasa. Oh, nice one. To software mommy. So mommy say. Wow, we have
yes.
Danny, academy.
Let's wait more. These beans.
So we are waiting for the beans now. Now it's for the beans.
Yeah, bean keys is rather.
So I was for, hey chef, come and check your beans. Oh, Mami Menko, na monfa kitchen, monfa. Take your kitchen. Aye, take. If the beans is okay, then we can continue. The beans is okay. Yes. And then let me off it. Yes. I was for this is the simplest way you can do a preparation. This is a yentwaso. Your father.
I want to put some small water in there.
You want to put some small water?
I'm taking the water.
Oh, small water there, JJB. You want to put some small water. So you say, me have some kind of train. I'm there, man. Now I would go. And yeah.
It's not enough.
It's not enough.
It's okay.
It's okay now. Yeah. No. Good. So, the beans is going inside now.
Yes, please.
Everything. You are pouring everything inside. I like it.
Yes,
I like
beans
inside. Okay.
Anna, I want you. Is it how heavy?
It's not that heavy.
Okay. It's hot.
It's hot. Kafra. Ogoni kafra. Aye. I was for and not yet. BBM shortcut abem. The means is cool. Can you know Uncle Professor? I just saw a pair.
Is that what?
No, I bet no one will see. What's on the
No, put it here. No.
The first one here.
We're coming to cook.
So what is this?
Our crab.
The crab.
The one we use for.
We say crab akoko. Yeah, the cotton oil they so. So that one there doesn't need any seasoning. When that way.
No, you want to add.
Oh, that wait. That the crab.
Yeah, the new area. And I the best Stefan was just once and they are gonna ship.
But you know the patcho me bin come. Miss Law. I'm selling my market
to add it.
Non cotton if you feel. Cause they don't know. And chica crab to know you sua. You don't need to giddy in Chinibia. Like this, no, who taste it. You go see him.
I'm waiting.
You go see him. You know, if you kill him, I need to know what it is.
No. Wow.
The energy is always same, right?
Yes, too much. I need you in my kitchen.
I'll come.
You see.
I'll come and cook for 800 people.
Wow.
When you're doing that kind of order, call me.
I will. I'll call you.
I'll be. Right now, you say you have machines, they chicha niyama.
Everything. Don't worry about your nails, cry.
Yes. This is the Zesuza muabie.
Fully loaded.
If say in a day, how many orders now to me? Like events.
We can get up to 8.
8 different events.
Yes.
8. 1, 2, 3 versus 8. How many workers do you have?
27.
27 cooking for 300 people, 250 people, sometimes 400 people.
Yes. I'm talking about large numbers, not 8 small numbers, large numbers.
And then maybe what they need 50
my people are very committed. Even if I choose just a few of them to come, Anna, they will do their best.
They will do their best.
They are very committed, hard working.
Kai, I didn't shout out to her. So right about now, you're heading.
Come to put our preference powder.
Oh, okay. For share. As simple as this. What the wire calculations never. Momanica cra. Aman so kakra. And amani. Dry one no pan kakra. Me pacho Jenny toast me ko.
Momoni.
And sana ye de a fish some egum. Enti when ever say
you gave me a bowl to move some of the sauce out.
So you want any? And to move some years in change.
And so pour it on it after.
Okay. I mean, you're mentioning. Yo, it's fine. Come on.
This food here, I can tell you're going to eat it.
Papa. This food is going inside my stomach alone. Mukramu ya mama. Ai, someone dear my chef. Now, Zesuza, as a mother, a wife, a caterer, how do you manage? Even though you will be back to our workers.
You have said something.
But at the end, no, so no, you are. To say me, so never be ordered, and I won't see a me who so I ask them.
I manage.
You manage?
I take my children to my events.
No, do what you event, Naze. Yanko, she manages.
Hey,
what the grand number?
I'm telling you.
The baby girl, what to say?
Oh,
that pretty girl.
Beautiful
lady.
This boy is for me, so that's. But we'll use all here.
Hey, Popo. We use all. But your way, bro, some jollof near in African style. A prancer. Yes. A prancer. Na ye can they pacho Jishon sir.
Please give it to me, boy.
Where
do you put it? It's the back here. Nana. Let me do it.
Good. Fashion sir. I was for you and you. Ya prapran san no ani. Enye gidi.
I think it's okay.
No. I
think the prapran is okay.
It's okay.
Yes.
Oh. To the gloves no. Yeah, that's why we came with Danny. Let's go this way. Danny, finish her. So let me ask again. Are we done like this?
We left for the garnishing.
The garnishing.
We are done with the cooking.
Sana, yeah. You wouldn't say din, you know.
Baby, a brebian.
A brebian, Danny. Now let me ask you, chef. You do it with more smell, be excitement when you are there. Let passion pioneer. And I have also.
Oh no, it's my passion. You know, growing up, I realized that I was the firstborn, so my mom had to allow me cook for the family of my sister. So I find it interesting in cooking.
I think that the simplest way. Maybe with you.
You should do something very simple.
Maybe with you. You want to still try? It's okay. It's okay. Me na me can be a. And then me what testing officer Kafra. I have a deal so when you want some bianca. Because I Bruno yache that the entire Bruno because I've been that.
Yeah.
I've been Milo no cry. Mindum no cry.
We need something to pour. 2
points, don't worry. But you don't think home luxury.
Yeah.
You don't think home luxury. We will plate if you think home luxury. The best serving.
Wow.
Now the crap.
Let's shake.
It's about to crap.
Yes.
Who we are now?
Yeah, chiwangom kakra.
Chiwangom kakra.
It's flavor. No, it's having some smell from its nature, and so you have to boil it and then fry it to avoid those things. Because it might do anything.
Oh,
that's why you have to fry it.
Into where you are, obe hurry. Oh, who we are. Nothing. Near Chihon Kakra. Oh, the Jane and whenever Chichon.
Near sauce, na edit to us.
And the sauce, no. Nadia Fahon.
And it's also brighten the crab because of presentation.
Yeah. It's in Pacho was for. So who said, Marie was our sauce CBC in chain. Says was Madame Casa and any bill with your Gusudabi or the cotton ebegum as in cotton ebnea. Nay, ye near the frying pan. Now for the sauce no. Egu cotton on near torso or frying pan.
We'll pour the sauce too on it. On the upper pansa.
On the upper pansa. Into Masaka Crabera cotton. You. Anyway, just way. Because men can be charming waba. Can be cock commercial breaker, but until I'm better with the one not train, said the obey cotton. You. Me my frying panna, or man oil kakra. Over to sauce, be a boom. No, I toss a kakra. Neither no, as a boy life room. Neither nabe guso. Nay, reno. I come.
Wow.
I was for Zesuza, simple apapransa. Said a matrono, cotoi, no one you man ye. Ya the dead dog spices ka crab in the season no way. Who we anka we with me a but share for say. I ana koto o wonsuo munye nya ka crab won ho. Ya prefer go but o pese o toso no anwamu kakra. Na o man sauce ne kakra ne nam ho ne change color no na afi we a ya din betuetu aso nya za. Apapransa by Zesuza, as simple as that. Yeah, Bassia and Covivia.
Imana way. About 3 yo. Brania Kofa Prano. Hi, mine. You my uncle.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, darling.
Mommy, why didn't you come and get me?
Don't worry, I'll come and get you next time, okay?
Okay.
Ima, Shahana top your bag back for me. Ima, pe shop na wa ha no. Hwe so mo tolo bi for fa no to bi bre me. Ima, unhwe ha nto banche ma no.
Ah, madam, I don't pay so be kufiana. When me brother or problem ana.
AC ninti na mpese mesio de wo fie nyina anya adwuma.
And it's an etia. Yan come me go. Akoto new high sense air condition. See the airport wo.
Sa.
Mo twan no ko fa open abro.
Mati.
Na my wa na ko tuma ko pese o so sin na wa him still nyina.
Instro so me sort o dodo.
Ohema, oi. Me pacha one am no kasa. High sense air condition obie ni je ho. Eno no obie pato. Esan say e wo gold plated things, high quality copper pipes, eco-friendly gas, and a 4-in-1 filter system. High sense air condition from ano. Eye clean and ensanso nyedede. Your split and your floor standing. Your standard and an inverter cooling system. And to say who change day. Ko high sense showroom bia. Every 18th, akopim 28th February. Ya titi so say hook e ye boom to high sense in there. Nina 5 years manufacturer defect warranty.
Hello, Mira.
Wouldn't say every 18th, akopim 28th February. High sense for AC
Promo!
Wow, any about Toby.
High sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Tomato mix. Wouldn't so one on pass. Say loud, what tomato flavor no? Tasty Tom tomato mix. Oh for kakra. Na ye bebre. Kakra young quine stew. Dodwa ope. No color changing like traffic light. Debia koko kama.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. Me a chef, I know what I'm talking about. Because Tasty Tom tomato mix is thick and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup. Pepe. Eka hunu bi eni.
Tasty Tom, I'm a mania Japan. Presenia and Nino IFFF. Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor new.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. Cry.
Tasty Tom tomato mixing tea. Me handwriting and sada. Then I did the sanet here. Into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Me top papano at once. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Ah, Martin. My show is my Papa Tofum, never so being here. Now, only as going here, Mama Missus and I come to Musa. My way so fast on never know. Sikefia, Michana Busumi Biano, as so fast on no. Before my pet, you know, mobile memoir, and it's so be about my bassy. Baby dinner, yena and fast.
I say, I bring me over my way insurance no. What do boost your name up Pabako ever sheso? Mistress of free Munkwadia, ever call more. Now, one now we hear my way insurance, no dear. Yebe ko mo abra wo ko yade krankro yade anankwa nhia ebubu agu a wo ye wo ho hwea enye impo wakoda yare sabia ebro na mienu se wadi 18 ekopin 59 a wo apomudin a wo betumi abeka my way abusia na ho phone ne dial *165# ewo MTN so se sia sanye my way a ka se no way. Many people think I get whatever I want because I'm a popular actress. But no, that is not true. Me and Kasano, Adebia me ye biano, me shishimpe papa no. And when I find it, I stick to it. My shishimenya Bell Pack tissues. Bell Pack ewe tea roll. Bell Pack tea roll. Soft, but not weak. Strong, but not hard. It is smooth. Me yusua, me hot tummy. It's just perfect. Same as the kitchen towel. What about what? What me the papaye? What me soaki? Echimu esa pepa. One Bell Pack kitchen towel lasts longer and saves you money. It's time you switch to Bell Pack today. Say your pocket tissue, table napkin, tea roll, and a kitchen towel. Bell Pack is simply the best. It's just perfect.
Nothing feels so good like Bell Pack.
Honey, new sabo and a pat evaporated milk. Tasty and creamy, right?
So.
And a pat milk, a well custard one, a fine. Na se wo Tom Brown no rice water muso a nice. Honey trip na baso me the enapa mayonnaise. Na me dey salad no any burger. Fries no so enapa tasty ketchup in a good side. Coffee ni jollof no so me the enapa perfume long green rice. Oh you one. Don't forget your favorite enapa chocolate milk drink.
Oh, more quite so.
See, honey, you are sorted.
I'm in control like a pilot on Enapa Airways.
Mama.
Me know.
Enapa, I can't stand it.
Just a moment. Enapa,
yeah.
Enapa. Oh yeah, Jack Macron no more. It's you cannot guess it there. Hey yo, contomre. What okuni? Tomato sauce I want you baby. Enapa sardine for box with salad here. Hey yo, stew. Ana jollof. Na betina mwa. That don't know it though. Oto that. Enapa wofia. O metibani ye dewa. You want Enapa soy sauce. Check for you sir. Oh more tasty. Enapa baked beans for the breakfast. Na so wa salad no ma. Oh shey. Enapa tuna. We can parfum. Na so wa salad no ma. Oh taste good. Enapa non-dairy creamer. For box we so kinsi oats na creamy tea no. You want Enapa spaghetti. Talia papa bi. Mansunin si jadun hure. Na for Enapa spaghetti no kum. Wo Enapa talia no are you ready for watch on you with stew. So Enapa no so dia.
Inkrati FDA appendo.
Dead spices. Taste day inside. But dead spices here what Jenny say. Nanya good taste. If we say yeah the natural spices and yeah Ghana hey ya. Ane you want all purpose stew, noodles, curry and nutmeg and a jollof. Dead spices. Taste yummy. Taste lemon. Dead spices. Taste day inside. FDA a jedi inkrato ya too.
Nice wig. It's my hair. Wow. I love your wig. It's my hair. Wow. Mipaway, eye onu ankasa ni hair. Wow. Try the new BO16 No Lie Hair Relaxer and thank me later.
Easy to use in just a 3-step process. It's so easy on the scalp and contains shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil for healthy hair and scalp.
Bye.
Now that's wow. New BO16 No Lie 3-in-1 Hair Relaxer straightens, strengthens, and protects. BO16 Express yourself.
The GC brand. It's all about you. This advert is FDA approved.
Next.
Aranti, Aquava. Hey, Anna Kasana lost in translation. Aeka.
Dog, fetch me why? Where do I even start from? About 3 days in it. Dog, I want to see me also. Me ampa, me driane, kitwa bi, me prepaid yasa. What show pa, free me.
Wow.
My eyes on squeezing me. My okay. Why? Same things ni na God. Learn fire down mad.
Just like that.
Learn fire dear number 1 money transfer app. Canada come US come and sana UK so come. And no one with the money you funny and don't for no nyina sika.
Ubekwa ko yi scan wo he fa.
Ye direct to me momo so ana me bank.
Na sa app for ya ba so yo mo nti usika bi nti aso.
Ya nti wo mo she zero charge.
Abrantie na oko wan ba na etua session ama.
Best rates, zero transfer charges, and unbeatable exchange rates. Direct to Momo and banks in minutes. No need for therapy.
McBrown's Kitchen, Adiani Peto.
McBrown's Kitchen, Adiani Pa Ede. Ebusiafo me mamu akwaba. We hear say dem hu temi ya. Na dey say aduane are ready. And aduane are ready. Thanks to Zesuza Catering Services. Soraya, thank you so much, Wati. And why a simple aprapansama? Me so me che oniema simple. Timpa chobraha. Na me de akwanya da aboafo yase. Me pa chopi high sense. Ese me ma kettle. Wow. Into for kettle no breakfast. Where be ya mami? You. What I say? Kettle bell pack say me ma tissue. Bell pack ya da say. And apa foods amame enuane ni nyina bi. Semi fama. Sana GC brand so say ye ma enku semina just a powder be a face we say cleanser ni nyina bi wom. Tasty Tom na wa wo kan say obusuani no. Hey.
Very important.
Very important. But Tasty Tom, any me ma obi akọ sana dead and also I discovered their dog spices.
Very tasty. Nice.
Taste the day inside. Patronime nyina ya wodia. Thank you for coming to Grace McBrown's kitchen. It's beautiful having you. And I want to enjoy that preference. And Sakura say about test aduane de Susan pese do telephone number to you. Pacho, you'll be sure on for him.
If you want to book Zesuza for all your events, for any corporate lunch, you call us on 0244 937315.
Okay.
0244 937315.
Oh, social media, so.
Every platform. Zesuza Catering on all social media.
Name this also name. Zesuza Catering. And then the service are so. Take catering over best service.
You add the catering services to here.
I know. Nani, I'm sure say that the testing officer in Bejepa. More testing officer. Hey, unma was in jam. I was in jam. Me ba no pedi ani bebi. Ah we nya dia na o se busu ntwam hwe no ani di nwie no. Ai ene oba bedi waduani bi na. Wa ma ke kakra bi ama. Ah dia agro ni e di nti don't worry. Eusafo, yem fa nyum share testing officer. McBrown's kitchen. Ediane bedo. Come on. Hey!
Ediane bedo.
Yem atete momo ne papa mi.
Asi eh.
Tina asre no. More than you can get to me. More. Who sana ya shanka crown?
Ina ehwa na bekan. Tipo he obi fie sam say. Ubunfu. Wanti me do kofi wakra.
Sanu nka.
Mama ne from wakra. Say edonka fufuru mi nwo. Na me buo ni chie. Kofi mi nkoda.
Abin ya na ojina.
Say me di wie. Me ni am go me fie.
Ne so sanu na de uso on ye na de. Ehwa na de anyini. Wow, find man like you, see. Zesuza.
Yes.
So you was ntwam. I was ntwam I crowd so bedi waduani. Ye man kakra ni e. Ai. Ye de ye plate ni e. Whoa, I was ntwam mu ampa. Oba de Yakobon hira so na te homa adum ni ti amen.
Amen.
I was ntwam.
Tetefu aduane pa.
Tetefu aduane pa. Na ye no modern style hu ye. Ye no modern way. This is a 7 more, nice 7. Mino, me pe cotton and 9 pa. And they did that so near and 7 me. Me pe cotton and 9. Cotton and 9. Now don't send a baby and have a fuck.
18 is fucking baby.
18 is fuck a year or him. Nay, you cotton and 9 in mamma. It's okay.
I'm 9
baby. 1 over candy and I had it. Never Jenny be so. Hey, Zesuza. Okay, Zesuza said, "Well, Brante, mamma, is that your book?" Yes. Then you want to tell me. Yeah. McBrown's kitchen, we saw for a Diana pa a day. Na mudi bi. Wana ka sa mudi bi. Obrani. Dabi, next time. We will be here na mo ye aduane ma no wi.
This nice thing I shouldn't eat. Adeng.
What's it?
I'm on your sabi.
Mummy, Sabio.
I will be free. I want to watch it anymore.
Aye.
Judge, now, many permission female.
No. Oheneba.
Mammy.
Oheneba Jude.
Oh, man.
Mama now. And then I said you were new.
You do Yami.
And then I said, and then also is a rough rock.
Koye mama. Ready koye nana. Johnny Oba. Bibi actually.
Okay.
About 15 years. I'm not certain Bibi. Any Bibi.
Who did you check? I prepare some to dear.
No. So the bank one I.
There be any bank one day.
I'm going to teach now. That's what happened there.
There be.
Who you say?
Indeed.
I said it's where do you need? It's the new koi. Me ma kuma mun na man 20 kora. We are kind of.
Hey. Why you not kuma mun na so about 20% you?
Because no.
I did 10 over 10 or some 20 over 10.
No, the club. What's more money? I'm man not some money. Some are close or the crabby fry. Tuna. What say the answer? Would you fear the Angasa?
Next is Zesuza catering services. My preference say, Oheneba Jude. Mama, 20 over 10.
Wow.
Go try your chair. Ghana for any other massy. Cotton, but some of them make us saying now. When the lumber then born you. Abuari don't pay a son yet to number a summer bentra into a dossor, yeah. A dossor, you're simple. You got your metro. Don't sorry, you're simple. Man, dear, you will. And you're better now, no wedding here now. I got to a Nampa somewhere to be more abrafie. A boy rude don't pass on yet to nam. A summer bentra, and near okay, you to drink water. Yes, please. I'm sure. So, buy. Wama, a preference who knows simple way to do a preference any day, anytime in the house. From trying to know you why.
Simple.
I'm a nibby. I'm nibby. A human being. Who goes to one human being? I can't get to the man.
I've enjoyed the way they're eating. Please, I'll invite you to my kitchen. I'll invite you. Aye.
I don't go with you.
We are carrying the pot home.
McBrown's kitchen, what is it?
And we are a pen there.
McBrown's kitchen.
And we are a pen there.
Oh, is this side?
I'm just for a hair and nobody to watch it. Namis will be what have we over so a year for YouTube? McBrown's kitchen. A dog. I feel me do I say na so also ahwe bia ma me onsura bebre me da maboafo ase high sense tasty tom and napa foods bell pack tissue kivo gari kivo pepper Sarah any other my way I say sanya my way
no way
I feel the GC brand it's all about you 1 + 400 so no papa no I feel launcher kitchen me da sibebre for jadi awaya mami me dia seda ema lemfi say international payment for everyone so this ke money Ghana pa de hwehwe lemfi kira kwan baby bia wo biara wo hwe lemfi kira kwan a wadaro masika no ebeba bedru dofo nsem brewo asundwe mu nti ene lemfi so ye da mo sibebre me dofo awhe me he ya na epon yo ya nti ebehia na otwen se ne Zesuza catering services. More. Ediane ndia wapadia. Eh. Na mama usa no mama me timi di uje obi.
This is round 3.
I was have TV.
Yeah, it's come to 6. Well, round 3.
Me the okasamen too. What's the other day?
Fata.
Eda fata
Motu akora.
Uti ma bofra was started so didie. Nina so be in kase ni nyina free mu. Ana ubi ya ma ne free mu wo de tuna no. Aye edi amano. Oh, ebusuafo, na what you say same time next week. Saturday, ya me. Na where wa me anabedi bio.
Mama, ngo to akodi.
Huh?
Ngo to akodi.
Say, kodi.
You didn't cry.
I didn't cry no. Quite no godi anaba satibio. So be si from party da.
Don't use me.
Wait.
Unzi ya minsi.
Me means ya unzi na kitchen wo dia.
No. Obi ya no.
I was for Indian life, man. Obedi nina. Zesuza, thank you for coming. McBrown's kitchen.
Adrian Pedro.
Hey, Shani.
McBrown's kitchen. Adrian Pedro. McBrown's kitchen. Bring us so. McBrown's kitchen. Adrian Pedro. McBrown's kitchen. Bring us so. Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you know. No am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So in yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen, and the bed. McBrown's kitchen.